I finished removing all the rot. Fortunately, it did not go around the corner. This one is good and solid, no sign of rot whatsoever. Unfortunately, this one here, I noticed a little powder on the stone. Not this much, of course. Once I start pulling it off, it greatly increased. But this one was actually active. There was actually bugs in this one. And it was kind of in the corner here, so it went into these. So I had to take all 4 of these off. Now the good thing is, they did not go through this wrap. I used to call it tie-wrap, but I think other companies make it now. And nothing showing, no issues showing down here. Now I'm not sure if I like this dirt being that close, so I think that's something I'm going to rake off and take it down a little bit. Again, I didn't want things crawling underneath there. If they do, I'm going to shove stone in, but not keep it so stony out here, but stone filling the hole. So we have this. It's all removed now. We pulled all the nails. We were kind of gentle on this, trying not to break off the groove. The tongues did break. So now I need to get more hemlock. I have hemlock stored at Zehr State, so I have a little bit up here, only enough to make it about 8 feet. So today I'm going to pick up more hemlock down there. It's already dried. We'll go across the bottom and then I'll fill in this spot here. Now remember, there's going to be a 2-foot splash guard here, so we're not going to see this wood. Once I get the wood on and nailed good, I need to nail these. These right here, because the bottoms were relying on the tongue of the one below. And that's gone. So I need to go through, re-nail, or nail the bottoms, and then we can start putting the hemlock in. Then after that, I think I'm going to give the hemlock 1 coat of primer. It's probably not necessary, but I probably will do that anyways. And I'm going to rake out this whole other area. Now another note, when you're kneeing down where there's a bunch of stone or anything you don't want to be in, cardboard works great. Cheap, just grab it, and then you can recycle it afterwards. Or use it for starting fires in your stove. So there's where we're at. We pulled all the other uprights, vertical stickers that were on here, or moldings. And now we brushed it all off. We can start going across. We already started. We'll continue going across the top. We can start our down pieces. And then once we get our splash guard on, we can finish it all off. So coming along really good.